Wanted to show the transom and door restoration project for the Hope Club on Benevolent Street. The doors, we have two sets. We have a double door on the exterior that swings into pockets, and then an interior door that swings into the space. We basically have the exterior doors, which are all oak, white oak, that had very little color on them, but a lot of failing varnish. You can see as it got lower to the bottom, the varnish had more failure. So we have stripped all the exterior of that off. The inside was coated with a reddish shellac, and the panels on the inside are pine, even though the doors are oak. So you'll see that then the interior set of door has yet another color and coat of varnish on it. The inside is all consistent with the rest of the interior, so the color is a nice golden inside. What we're seeing here on the right side is where the door was stripped once. We're using a chemical to get off that reddish haze that was put on it. It most likely was a colored shellac. You can see that we're using a fairly aggressive clean stripper that is getting us through that reddish color, and then able to reveal the more lighter tones that would be closer to what the exterior of the door looks like. Now, so we're going to resolve the color in the next day or so to kind of figure out which color we can pick. As for the transoms, we have the interior one that is oak, that is stained on the inside and colored on the outside. The outside one is pine, and it was painted on the outside and on the inside. What we discovered was quite a bit of damage to the actual muntins and glazing rails on this. We had to remove about 40 panes in total. I believe there are about 112 panes on each one. So it needed a considerable amount of repair in order to stabilize it. And we ended up sort of cutting out the bad pieces and replacing it in kind with a Spanish cedar. So you can see here we have completed a bunch of the repairs on both the glazing rails as well as some of the profiles down below. It's all solid wood, and it was pinned and epoxied onto the window. And then this is the outside one, which is pine. The inside one is the white oak, like I was telling you. And that one only has minor damage to it on that one glazing rail that needs to be reproduced. But it also has a color on it that is a little bit different than the rest. So we will be looking to sort of match all those guys together. So that is the update for now, and thank you very much.